Hi, I am making a tag page with mostly photographs and one pre-cut tag, and I just want to show you a little bit about my process and how I actually make these tags. So hopefully you'll find this video helpful. And what I've done is I made a collage on my computer of the different photos I want to include, and I made the photos about 2 by 3 so that I could fit a whole bunch of photos on one 6 by 8 page. And I am just trimming down my photos from the collage into individual. Ones. Now I am taking one of the strips of photographs and lining up one of my photos with the tag. The tag was pre-cut or part of the December daily kit, and I'm cutting exactly along the tag so that the photo is the size of the tag, and they're already rectangular in shape, so I just have to trim them a bit and cut the corners. And the last thing I'll do after I get the tag cut will be to punch a hole with a hole puncher. And you can do one additional step, which is to use a hole reinforcer punch, and I just kind of line it up and then I slide out that pre-made tag, because I do want it. I don't want to risk cutting that tag. This sort of hole punch that I have here isn't that great for lining things up, so I need the help. Yeah, so you can also do one more step, which is to get a hole reinforcer punch and then adhere down. It makes like an outline of that circle I just punched out, and so you can just adhere down that extra circle, which really does add something to it, but I didn't do it in this case on this page. So just continuing with cutting out these tags. Now you can see I have arranged my tags kind of how I want them on the page, and I am adding that pre-made tag right in the middle. I also have a strip of pattern paper that I want to put on the side, and I haven't trimmed my paper is 6 by 8, but I haven't trimmed it to include that strip, so I'm going to trim it at the end, but I want to keep that strip there so I know exactly what size I'm going to be dealing with to fit all the tags on. And now just gluing them down so that they all fit. Trying to get them to go in a little bit different directions here and there across the page, and the whole thing is at a slight angle. And this is this was very similar to a page that was made by that was one of the Ali Edwards creative team design pages, example pages.